Has this ever happened to you that you read a book or watched a video related to self-development and instantly felt energetic and determined for a moment, but after some time all your determination for self-change vanished? If yes, then the main reason for this is that you don't know how to implement those values in practical life. In this video, I will guide you through practical strategies to implement the 7 habits given by Stephen Covey in his book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People in your daily life for tangible results. Before we get started, I would like to give you a brief info about this book. In this book, Stephen Covey gives a comprehensive guide for personal and professional life success through 7 transformational habits, which focuses on developing your inner character, rather than your outer personality. So, let's jump into the 7 habits and their practical implementations. Habit number 1. Be proactive. Being proactive is to make things happen, instead of waiting for them to happen to you. It's about being self-aware, focusing on what you can control, setting goals, taking initiative, using positive language, embracing challenges, practicing self-discipline, and reflecting on your actions. Real-life examples include taking initiative at work, managing finances proactively, prioritizing health and fitness, nurturing relationships, and investing in personal development. By being proactive, you empower yourself to navigate challenges, achieve goals, and lead a more fulfilling life. It's about taking control, making things happen, and shaping your own destiny. As it is rightly said, be the change you want to see in the world. Habit number 2. Begin with the end in mind. This habit emphasizes on setting clear goals and envisioning the desired outcomes before starting any task or project. To implement this in real life, start by defining your long-term objectives, whether personal or professional. Visualize what success looks like for you and create a roadmap to achieve it. Break down these larger goals into smaller, actionable steps that align with your vision. By keeping the end goal in mind during each decision and action, you can stay focused, motivated, and on track towards accomplishing your aspirations. Embrace this habit to navigate your life with purpose and intention, ensuring that your efforts are aligned with your ultimate vision. Begin each day with clarity and purpose, knowing where you want to go, and taking intentional steps to get there. Remember, starting with the end in mind sets the foundation for a successful journey towards your desired outcomes. Habit number 3. Put first things first. Putting first things first is the art of prioritizing tasks based on their importance, not just urgency. To implement this habit in real life, start by identifying your key goals and values. Then, create a daily schedule that allocates time for these important tasks before anything else. Use tools like to-do lists and calendars to stay organized and focused. Learn to say no to distractions that derail you from your priorities. By consistently focusing on what truly matters and aligning your actions with your values, you will increase effectiveness, reduce stress, and achieve greater fulfillment in both personal and professional lives. Remember, putting first things first is not just about time management, but about living a purposeful and meaningful life. Habit number 4. Think win-win. This principle emphasizes a mindset of collaboration and mutual benefit in every interaction, aiming for positive outcomes for all parties involved. To implement Think Win-Win in practical life, we must prioritize empathy, active listening, and seeking solutions that satisfy everyone's interests. This habit requires us to shift from a competitive mindset towards a cooperative one, fostering healthy relationships and effective communication. In our daily interactions, whether at work, with family, or within our communities, practicing Think Win-Win can lead to more harmonious relationships, creative problem solving, and ultimately, greater success for all. Let's embrace this powerful habit to cultivate a mindset of abundance and cooperation in all aspects of our lives. Habit number 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. This habit urges us to prioritize listening and empathizing with others before expressing our own thoughts and opinions. It teaches us the essence of effective communication and building strong relationships. To put this into practice, we must actively listen to others without judgment or interruption. This means truly trying to understand their perspective, feelings, and needs before expressing our own. By practicing empathetic listening, we can foster trust, empathy, and collaboration in our personal and professional interactions. Remember, effective communication is not just about speaking, but also about listening with an open heart and mind. So, let's make an effort to prioritize understanding others before seeking to make ourselves understood. It's a simple yet transformative habit that can lead to deeper connections and more meaningful conversations in our lives. Habit number 6, synergize. Synergizing means working together with others to achieve results that are greater than what each individual could accomplish alone. It involves valuing differences, seeking third alternatives, and finding creative solutions through collaboration and teamwork. To implement this habit in your life, start by actively listening to others, respecting diverse perspectives, and being open-minded to new ideas. Look for opportunities to combine strengths and talents with those around you to create innovative solutions and achieve common goals. Remember, when we synergize, we can achieve remarkable outcomes that benefit everyone involved. So, embrace synergy in your interactions and collaborations, and watch how it transforms your personal and professional life. Habit number 7, sharpen the saw. This habit suggests a commitment to personal development and continuous improvement. To implement this habit in practical life, make time for activities that revive and enhance your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. This could include exercise, reading, meditation, learning a new skill, or engaging in a hobby. By investing in self-care and growth, you not only improve your own effectiveness but also sustain long-term success. Remember, taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity for a balanced and fulfilling life. So, these are the 7 habits given by Stephen Covey. With their implementation you can reach to great heights in life. Always remember, it's not about perfection, but the progress. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you learned something new in life. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more self-development videos. Have a nice day.